Welcome everybody. Today, just morning, we got a very bad news that in Morocco there's a just very big earthquake, powerful earthquake, 6.8 magnitude that shakes Morocco. So, what those in Morocco, I pray for them to be safe and please stay away from the dangerous area. And you can see Morocco earthquake 296 killed as building damaged. Then powerful earthquake hits Morocco, killing hundreds. So various newspapers are giving various numbers, but we can approximately take the more that there is a injury of life and death of people. In NDTV you can see 296 dead after powerful 6.8 magnitude earthquake hits Morocco. Morocco earthquake, dozens reported killed as buildings fall and people flee homes. Morocco earthquake kills at least 296, causes widespread damage and panic. Earthquake strikes Morocco, at least 296 dead, 153 injured in Morocco quake. So various newspapers are giving various numbers, but exact numbers we can understand when the people below the buildings racks can be taken out. So everybody pray for the Morocco and be safe. Thank you.